Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Another very eventful day on this one. I mean, the past couple of days have been crazy. I mean, look at all that volume that's been pouring in. And price did pull back today, but as I talked about in the video from Wednesday, which I'm going to reiterate, everything is still perfectly fine, depending on your perspective. What do I mean with that comment? Well, if you're a day trader, flipper, scalper, and you bought right there, you bought right there, you bought right there, and your trade plan was wanting to buy and sell within, 20 minutes, well, then from that point of view, yeah, that's the chart right now is looking pretty rough. But from the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly fine. In fact, quite literally, the price bounced right off of that green line that I talked about in Wednesday's video, which you don't have to go back and watch. But the overall premise, like I said, holds true. And that premise being, yeah, the price did pull back. Sure, but from the big picture of things, where have the lows been? So if you go just through the history of the chart, so again, have a set of lows there, then lows right there, and then consolidation lows, and then those lows, and then these lows down here. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you still have? Well, from the big picture, that's why I'm trying to emphasize big picture, because again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought up above $10, well, then this is a little different scenario. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, then as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upward direction, which is what they've been doing, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong, overall healthy move is going to do. So yeah, pull back as of right now. But like I said, assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, everything is still perfectly fine. And once again, yes, the price pulled back today, but think about that word from a very literal sense. What does today mean? Today means one day, one single day. Looking at multiple days here, you can see the overall uptrend, the overall stair steps are still very clearly progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what matters most. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.